Good morning everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carly and I'm going to be doing a vlog today. So we're in California and we're traveling home today back to Utah, and I just want to show you guys what I brought for skincare and for makeup and the easy outfits I packed and just kind of our whole travel day. So I hope you like this video, and I'm going to do my makeup and my morning skincare routine right now. I just want to point out I woke up with such swollen eyes, but we're gonna get rid of it. A little bit of cold water will do it. I'm in the pink bathroom and I'm obsessed with it. Obviously I want this in my own house. It's so pretty. It's like the cutest pink tile floors, pink bath. I love it. I'm gonna wash my face first. I'm gonna pull my hair back and then wash my face with this stuff I got from Amazon. It's Clean Organic Men's Face Wash because I didn't have any travel size face wash for myself, so I'm gonna use that. The next thing I'm gonna do is toner. I just put it in this little container, and then I brought little cotton pads in this little Ziploc bag. I'm gonna use this. I got this at Trader Joe's. It's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum, and I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I use this CeraVe. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know how to say it, but I use this in the mornings because it's really lightweight, and so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my face. And then I rub the extras on my arms. While I wait for that to kind of sink in my face, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna put the Glossier Invisible Shield. This is my favorite sunscreen I've ever found. I'm just gonna put it on my face and on my neck. I do 3 pumps every single time, and it's the perfect amount. Since we're leaving, I'm gonna start packing up all my skincare. So I brought this little bag that I got with my Glossier purchase, and then I'm gonna put all my skincare in here. Here is my skincare stuff. I'm allergic to most deodorants, and this one I got from Whole Foods, and I love the smell. I'm sitting backwards on the toilet facing the window, and I'm gonna just do my makeup, my travel makeup. So I just like it really simple. I only do a couple things, but the first thing is my concealer that I love. I just use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I like pretty much don't go anywhere without this. Next I'm gonna take bronzer. I just use the Bobbi Brown in Stone Street. And then I just brought the NARS blush, Orgasm. I don't know. We're just doing our best here. And last, just gonna take the Glossier Boy Brow in Brown. That's it for makeup. Here's the cute pink bathroom. I love it so much. This is the prettiest place. It's raining right now, but I love the trees and the flowers. We're headed to the airport. I have my And Other Stories sweater. These are the Align leggings from Lulu. And I just got these. They're Jeffrey Campbell boots with socks, and I love them. So sad to leave, but here we go.
5 degrees. The seatbelt sign's back up again, so if you're up, please return your seats and buckle your seatbelts.
We made it home from our travel day. It's like 7 p.m. and I have no food in my fridge, so I'm gonna run to Sprouts. It's like half a mile away, and I'm just gonna pick up a couple things for a smoothie in the morning and maybe just some other snack stuff or some other food stuff. So yeah, let's go to Sprouts. I just got back from Sprouts and I got some blueberries. They were on sale and they looked really delicious. I got my favorite hummus. I can't live without this stuff. I go through so much of it. I got some celery, some yogurt. I get the plain kind, and I always put this in my smoothie with ginger, turmeric, some greens, and just water and pineapple. And then I got some frozen bananas and some frozen pineapple for my smoothies, some peppers to go with my hummus, some apples because I'm obsessed with apples and almond butter or peanut butter right now, an avocado for some avocado toast, and then ginger for my smoothie and turmeric for my smoothies, and then some granola for Taylor. Well, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.